In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time on a Samsung phone. Let's dive right in and make sure your phone is set to the correct time with ease. First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. You'll find the Settings app icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. It looks like a small gear. Tapping it will open up a world of options where you can control your phone's behavior and settings. Once you have the Settings app open, look for the option labeled General Management. This section handles many of the core functionalities of your device. It's like the control center for various operational settings. Tap on General Management to proceed. Now that you're in General Management, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in today is Date and Time. Tap on Date and Time to move forward. This is where we're going to make sure that your time settings are accurate. At this point, you'll see a couple of options. The first one we want to enable is Automatic Date and Time. Tap the switch next to it to turn it on. This option is highly recommended because it ensures your device automatically syncs with the network time. This means you don't have to worry about adjusting your clock during time changes or when you travel to different time zones. Next up, ensure that Automatic Time Zone is also turned on. Just like with the date and time, tap the switch next to Automatic Time Zone. This setting automatically adjusts your time zone based on your location. It's especially useful when you're traveling, as it keeps your clock accurate wherever you go. With both Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone enabled, your phone will manage the time settings for you. This automation saves you from manual adjustments and ensures that your phone always shows the correct time. Once you've completed these steps, your Samsung phone will automatically set the time for you. You'll see the changes take effect immediately. This is a simple yet powerful feature that enhances your phone's usability. To recap, we've navigated through the settings to General Management, then to Date and Time. We've turned on Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone. By doing this, your phone stays accurate and you save yourself from the hassle of manual time adjustments. Remember, these automatic settings are recommended because they ensure your phone is always up to date with the correct time and time zone. It's a small step but makes a big difference in keeping your device reliable. And there you have it. You now know how to ensure your Samsung phone always displays the correct time. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips.